Hi everyone, I'm Christina and today we're going to take a look at how to use the Generate Using AI feature inside Squirrly Social. So let's go inside Squirrly Social, just like so. And then by going to Post Group, we have this button over here, Generate Using AI. And by being to a post group that doesn't have any posts inside draft, we once again have this button, Generate Using AI. By clicking on this button, we can write a prompt over here. We can choose the tone of voice. We can select the approximate words, generate hashtags, include emojis, and post to generate. Maximum 10 posts. I'm going to click on this X for now, because in order to use this feature, Generate Using AI, we have to go to our name over here, account settings, ChatGPT, and make sure that the connection between ChatGPT and Squirrly Social is made. As we can see over here, the application is connected. So let's go back to post groups in order to click on Generate Using AI, and let's write a prompt over here. I'm going to change the tone of voice. I'm going to change the approximate words. I'm going to select to generate hashtags as well as to include emojis, and I'm going to leave only one post. So I'm going to click over here, Generate Post Using AI. And now we have to wait a little bit. I can see over here that the post generated successfully. So let's scroll a little bit. And I can see the post over here. Let's click on this button in order to edit the post so I can see the caption over here. And I have some emojis over here as well as some hashtags over here. So this is the caption that I have received from the prompt that I have written. Now I can add an image from over here. Now I can see the image over here. I can see the caption that I have received using AI, and all that is left to do is click over here on update. And when I'm ready to publish this post, all that is left to do is click over here on Approve and Schedule. Then the post will move over here to the Approve tab, and it will be sent according to those settings, to the group settings. So it's that simple to use the feature Generate Using AI. You simply have to click on the button, write your prompt over here, change the tone of voice, select the approximate words, if you want to include hashtags, if you want to include emojis, how many posts you want to generate, and simply click on Generate Post Using AI. All that you have to remember is that you have to make sure that you have the connection between ChatGPT and Squirrly Social made by going over here to your name, account settings, and ChatGPT. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.